Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is A to Z Convos, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a description, a very slow English description of this picture on the screen. I'm going to try and speak very slowly and describe what I see, and just follow along. If it's still too fast for you, you can use the controls and slow down the video. So let's begin. So what do I see in this picture? This is a butterfly. A butterfly? That's what this is. And the butterfly has two wings. One, two. And the wings are blue on the outside. This is blue on the outside, blue on the outside, and yellow on the inside. This is yellow. The color is yellow. So the outside of the wings are blue, 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 and the inside of the wings are yellow, yellow, yellow. And the wings of the butterfly has designs on it. The designs are circles, round circle. And the outer circle is red. The color is red. The inner circle is yellow. This is yellow. And the inner circle after that is blue. And then the smallest circle is yellow. There's another design on the wing here, and it's red. And it's not quite a circle, it's a spiral. So it's a spiral. And this is a spiral, and it's red. On the second wing, there are two circles, two designs, one, two. The first design is a circle, and the outer circle is red. The next circle is yellow. The next inner circle is blue. And then the smallest circle, the innermost circle, is white. The next design on the wings of the butterfly is a circle as well. It's smaller than this one. It's smaller. And the outer circle is red. The next inner circle is yellow. The next inner circle is blue. And then the innermost circle is white. And the same design on the upper part of the wing is also on the lower part of the wing. Same design, same, 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 same. Now, the body of the butterfly is blue. The body is blue, light blue. The head is light blue. The arms, two arms are dark blue. And the legs are dark blue. 1, 2 are dark blue. The body has some lines that divide it. It has one line, two lines, three lines, four lines. So the body is divided into 5 parts by 4 lines. So let's count the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, and 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Now on the head of the butterfly, the head, it has 2 eyes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 eyes. 1, 2. And 2 eyebrows over the eyes. Eyebrows. Eyebrows. 1, 2. And it has 2 antennae. This is one antenna, and this is the second antenna. 1, 2. 2 antenna. And it has one mouth, and it's smiling. Smile. The butterfly is smiling. The butterfly is smiling. And it has rosy cheeks. 1, 2. Its cheeks are pinkish red, or we call that rosy cheeks. 1, 2. Cheeks. Next, we see the butterfly is flying towards the flowers. How many flowers are there? This is 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3 flowers, 4 flowers. This is the 4th flower. And the flowers are different colors. This flower is pink with a yellow middle and brown circles. 2 brown circles. It has a green stem. This is the stem, and it's green. And it has 4 leaves. 1 leaf, 2 leaves, 3 leaves, 4 leaves. It has 4 leaves. And it has how many petals? This is called a petal, a flower petal. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flower petals on this flower. How about this flower? The petals, these are the petals, are yellow, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flower petals, and they're yellow. Yay! And the stem is green. The stem is green, and on the stem there are leaves. These are leaves. 1 leaf, 2 leaves, 3 leaves, 4 leaves. There are 4 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4 on this flower. There's another flower here, and this flower is closing. It's closing. This flower is open. It's open. This flower is open. This flower is closed. And this flower also is pink. It has pink petals and a blue thing at the top of the stalk. I'm not sure what that is, but the stem is green and it has green leaves, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green leaves on it. There's one more flower that's also closed. This flower is closed and it's orange. This flower is orange. Orange flower, green stem, and how many leaves? 1, 2, 3. Then there's a second butterfly over here. So this is 1 butterfly. This is 2. 1, 2. 2 butterflies. And this one has yellow wings. The wings are yellow and the body is purple or brownish. It looks purple to me. And finally, there's grass on the ground. The grass is green. This is the grass and it's green. And the grass has some stalks, some blades of grass growing, and they're also green. How many blades of grass are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's some more here. 11, 12, 13. 13 blades of grass. And then there's this little stalk of plant here that's just off on its own. It's not grass, but it's not a flower. It's just a green plant with leaves. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves on it. So that's what I see in this picture. Can you tell me what you see in the picture? You can leave it in the comments below or just write it for me and practice in the comments and tell me what you see. A blue butterfly, a yellow butterfly with a purple body, a blue butterfly with yellow wings, a pink flower with a green stem and green leaves, a yellow flower with a green stem and green leaves. Let me know. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.